Looking for a better way to handle and automate your data, both to and from your accounting software? Look no further. DataDear can help you speed up data entry and increase data visibility, whilst also enhancing your business reporting and insights. With DataDear, your company's data from multiple sources is linked to your Excel and Power BI, empowering finance teams and accounting practices in the process. What if you could update your company or group of companies' chart of accounts directly from Excel within seconds? DataDear allows you to do this and so much more. Optimize your system setup by easily creating, editing, or archiving in bulk for all your clients. Automate transactional data imports, including journals, invoices, bills, and more, by posting directly from your Excel. Incomplete or inaccurate data extraction. Edit or recode hundreds of lines with a click. With DataDear, you can give your business the insights it needs by creating meaningful reports with stunning visuals and live data feeds from your accounting software. Not feeling inspired? Start with one of our templates and make it your own, ready to rework and reuse across different clients or periods. And what's more, you can share your drillable reports in just a few clicks, creating interactive dashboards that exploit the potential of your financial data by connecting it to the most powerful business tools, with all of Excel's power and functionality at your fingertips. Visit our website to find out more about how you can enhance your company's data handling.